Did you know that there exists a dream world? It does, and Ryza will take you there. Ryza simply hates her food and can't help but nod off. As soon as she dozes off, her hungry spirit leaves her body in search of food in the dream world. She wanders around the dream world and meets other spirits. Some were sad, happy, and some were scared. Suddenly, a grain of rice drops on Ryza's head, surprising her. She looks up and is surprised to see a giant monster in front of her. The monster warns her that she won't be able to return unless she defeats him. As with most dreams, nothing is impossible, and Ryza summons a great whale. With the whale's help, she easily defeats the monster. Suddenly, Ryza's spirit falls from the whale's back and returns to her body. Ryza wakes up, and with the dream still fresh in her mind, she happily starts to eat. It's a happy ending after all. You wouldn't want your spirit roaming around in the dream world with no guarantee that it'll come back, would you?